Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, welcome to Finance and Banking class. I am Nasir Farooq, lecturer at Greenfield School and College. Today, I would like to describe the chapter Time Value of Money. Today, I am solve the mathematical problem. Time value of money. This chapter is most important chapter. It's basically mathematical basis chapter. This chapter represent by two formula. One formula is calculate the present value. Another formula is future value. At first, we have to know what is present value. The present value, the processing of find out the today's value from the future value. It's called present value. The processing of find out the present value is called discounting methods. The processing of find out the future value is called compounding methods. And the present value represent the PV here. PV is equals present value. The another future value. Future value represents by FV or shortly FB. FB I mean FB here. F is equal future and V is equals value. I mean future value. For calculating for calculate from this chapter's mathematical problem, at first we have to know the basic formula of present value and future value. Represent the present value and future value. Here the PV, we know that the PV is equal, the first formula is PV here. The PV is equals FB divided 1 plus I whole to the power n. Here PV, I mean here PV is equals present value. uh, Rate of interest, I mean I is equal to rate of interest or interest rate. The another most important topics is n is equals number of years, I mean number of years. When mathematical problems applying the 5 years 10 years, it represents by n. The another important topics is f is equals future value. The the another formula is FB. FB is equals PV into 1 plus I whole to the power n here. Uh, PV I mean presence value. Here I is equals rate of interest and n is equals total number of year. So dear student, you can easily answer all the mathematical problem from this chapter by applying the two mathematical formula. uh, Basically, when the companies are when an example is given the present value, then you should be calculate the future value. When the present values, when given the present future values amount, that you should be calculate the present value. I mean one time is given, the another time you should be calculate by applying from this mathematical formula. Another most important topics you should be mentions, you should be remember. If the interest is paid, and here this formula is applying when interest is paid yearly. I mean 12 month one times interest is calculate. But when the interest is more times applying, yeah, if the interest is paid more times in a years, I mean 2 times in a year, 3 times in a years, 4 times in a years, then need m is equals, I know that the total compoundings, the need m, I mean the need applying m's. Basically m multiplications by n is equals number of years. The another and divided by I is equals rate of interest, I mean interest rates m divided by rate of interest and multiply with number of years. Then formula, basically formula, this is formulas, but the interest rates, m is divided by interest rate and n is uh, m is multiply with number of years. Then formula is equal pv is equals fv divided 1 plus I mean I rate of interest, rate of interest divided by m at whole to the power n into m. So I hope all of the students these formulas and those formulas is same, but difference is m. The another formula is future value. Future value is equals pb bracket 1 plus I divided m to the power or whole to the power n into m. From these formulas we can easily solve the mathematical problems of this chapter. I mean at time value of money. For remembers you that there are two kinds of mathematical problems in these chapters: presence value, to calculate the presence value, and to calculate the future value. So now I would like to describe the I would like to solve the mathematical problem of presence value. Dear student, please attention this. Dear student, you also see the an examples. I mentions an example for calculating the mathematical problems of presence value. Now I would like to PV. We know that PV here at first we have to remember, we have to find out the most important topics, suppose FV, number of years, and rate of interest. I read the examples. Please everybody attention carefully. At first, Tanya wants to get 10,000 taka after 5 years. I mean, when after 5 years, when after 2 years, when after 1 month, it will be presented, it will be present future value. It's remain, it's understand the future value. So, Tanya expected that to get 10,000 taka after 5 years. After 5 years means its future, because of after the times we also remember this, the future value. So here the future value is equals 10,000 taka after 5 years. Here the number of years, so number of years represents by n is equals 5 years. If the interest rate, we know that interest rate represents by I, so here I is equals 12%. What is the presence value, or calculate the presence value? So dear student, at first I give the basis formula. I write the basis formula at first. Here the future value FB is equals 10,000 taka. Here 10,000 taka, and number of year, I mean a total number of year here n is equal 5 years. The another most important topics, the interest rate. Here the interest rate I represents by I is equals 12%. 12%, it may be right, the when the percentage find out, then it's right the 0.12. What is the presence value, or calculate the presence value? We know that presence value represents PV. So we do not know, but we have no idea how many amounts is PV. Then we write the PV is equals what? By PV formula, I mean presence value formula, we can easily find out the presence value from this mathematicals, or from this example. So I write the presence value. For first formula, it should be mentioned that here the PV is equals FB divided 1 plus I to the power n. Student, remember that here the interest rate doesn't call the monthly, quarterly, yearly. When it's called monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly, weekly, then we need m. So this interest rate is present by yearly. That's why we no need M. So the PV is equal FB divided 1 plus I to the power n. uh, Putting the specific value in these formulas, then we can easily find out the presence value, amount of presence value. So 1 plus I, here the I is equals to rate of interest. So here rate of interest is 12 whole to the power, and here n is equals 5 years. So by put this value in a calculators, then we find out and easily the total amount of presence value. Here the presence value is 5674.2685. I mean 5674.27 taka only. By applying these formulas, you can easily find out the presence value. I hope, dear student, you will be understand the Hoy's processes to find out the presence value. Now I would like to calculate the second example. This is most important example for the student of class 9 and class 10. Basically a creative questions is given by applying from this in this examples, but just like of this example. For these reasons, I am also mentions this example to calculate or to teach you the how to solve these problems, how to solve creative questions. With the expectations, here the example 2, with the expectations of Dhaka 50,000 to be received after 5 years, when after 5 years, after 10 years, after 1 years, it's represent the future value. Here the future value is equals 50,000 taka. So 50,000 taka to be received after 5 years. So here the total number of year represents n is equals 5 years. He wants to save some money in a one of the bank. So there is the two opportunities to get any bank, which bank is preferable. I mean when we are invest in any bank, then we find out the best options of the banks. So there are two kinds of banks. One of the bank has proposed to give 10% interest. I mean here the interest rate is 10%. Also it's give the yearly interest rate. So we no need here M. So dear student, here the FB is equals 50,000, n is equal 5 years, and interest rate is 10%. This is the opportunities by one bank. Also there is another bank. The another bank has proposed to give 9.5% monthly compounding. This is most important topics and mentions those. Here the I is equals, I mean the second bank offered him 9.5% interest rate. The monthly compoundings, when it's called monthly, yearly, then we need the M. I am also inshallah I am describe the when need M or when applying M. Here the monthly. So monthly compounding, I mean every month the companies give a certain rate of interest rate. So we know that 12 month will be 1 year. So 12 times interest rate in a year is paid. 12 times interest paid in a year. In these conditions, in which bank will be deposit money. So this is an options, but this is give an opportunities to deposit rate, and in any banks by applying the time value of monies, and you selected the which bank is preferable, which bank is suitable for investing you. At first one bank offered, I have to calculate the first banks. Here the future value, I mean first bank will be given after 5 years 50,000 taka. The first banks will be given the total number of years 5 years. Here the interest rate is yearly payment by paid or paid is at first we have to mention the yearly interest rate is 10%. So I is equal here, I is equal 10%. 10% we may write the 0.1. So we calculate the PV, because of we know that when the future value is given, then we should be calculate the present value. When present value is given, then we calculate the future value. So here the future value is given, that's why we calculate the PV. PV is equals what? So one bank, at first we have to calculate the PV. We know that PV is equal FB divided 1 plus I whole to the power n. So here FB is equals future value. Also first banks offered him to 50,000 taka will be given after 5 years. So 50,000 taka 1 plus I is equals rate of interest. Here rate of interest is 0.1 to the power n. N is equals 5 year. So by put this value in a calculator, so we can easily find out the PV. PV is one banks, PV of one first banks. So the PV is equals 31046.066 taka. So when we deposit 31,046 taka in a bank, in one bank or first bank, then we will get after the 5 years 50,000 taka. The another bank offer also given the 50,000 taka. I mean FV is equals 50,000 taka. The rate of interest, there are a difference, only one part is interest rate 9.5%. 9.5% represents by 0.095. The number of year is 5 years. 5 years, number of years. The another most important topic here, the interest is more times in a year, that's why we need M. Here the M is equals monthly. I mean monthly, every month, in every month interest rate is 1 times, that's why 12-month interest rate is 12 times. So M is equal 12 times. 12 times. So here the FB is given, that's why we calculate the PV. PV is equals what? So dear student, I hope you will be understand. Here the M is given, that's why we can change the formulas. We know that when M is given, then the PV is equal FV divided 1 plus I divided M to the power n into M. So here I is equals rate of interest, M is equals number of compounding. The n is equals number of year, and M is equals number of compounding, and FB is equals future value. So by following this formula, we can easily find out the present value. Here the FB is equals 50,000 taka divided 1 plus I represents by present value. Here the present value is I is equals rate of interest or interest rate. Here the rate of interest is equals 0.095 divided M. We know that here the M is equals 12 times, because of every month, in every month interest is paid. So here M is equals 12 times. So N is equals number of year 5. and m is equals to L times. By applying this formula, we can easily find out the presence value. Here the presence value is equal 31152.46. So dear student, I hope all of them you will be understand this mathematics problem. Inshallah, next class I am describe the compounding methods, or when interest is more times in a year than we need, and how we can which processing or which formulas will be able to calculate the present value and future value. And if you have any problem, if you cannot understand in my lectures, if you confusions in my lectures, you should be mentioned in inbox. I will try to solve your problems as well possible. Otherwise, you may call me. My